The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good morning, guys. Very good morning, fellas. Today is CPI data. Your bots should be off. At least I suggest they are turned off at this point. We're just going to chop around for the next 30 minutes. If you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. Today is Thursday, November 10th. As a reminder, the room will be closed tomorrow. I will be out of town tomorrow. So today will be the last session of the week. I apologize for any inconvenience. You guys are on your own tomorrow, fellas. In any event, good morning, good morning, good morning. I hope you all had a blessed evening. Patrick, good morning. Tom, Scott, Dennis, guys, good morning, good morning. Very quickly, I ran the bots. Hey, Greg, that's right. I ran the bots until 7 o'clock this morning. ES bot is up 362.50. I am still running it on the 8 range. I will leave it on the 8 range for now. Crude, I shut the bot off. Has not taken that trade. Was 712. Has not taken. Well, would have taken a trade. Hasn't gone to a stop or a target, but it's off. Nasdaq is also off. It's down $260. Natural gas, I will not run today. It is inventory day, so much like crude on Wednesdays, I do not run natural gas on Wednesday. Would have taken 2 trades, a losing short here at 702, although, again, I shut them all off at 7, and then a big winner here. So natural gas, if you're running it, your bot should be up. And then YM has not taken a trade or did not take a trade. This trade was right at 7, I guess. So I shut it off right. This would have been a winning trade for $60. It would not have taken any of these trades, a loser and a winner. I'll turn these back on. Good morning, Sally. Stuart, good morning. Yeah, absolutely. 100%, Stuart. I will turn these back on, right after the 8:30 news. So overall, bots are basically flat on the day, up maybe $100. All right. Let me quickly read the disclaimer. We'll look at some charts. For those of you guys that are on trial, I do this every day. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed are those of mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. All right, fellas. This will just keep taking longs. That's the problem, because we can't get a damn reversal. ES nowhere near taking a trade. I mean, we're walking a 34 moving average pretty much straight up. You guys can try along at 270. And another trade on the NASDAQ. These are dangerous because it's just going to keep walking up. You know, we're chopping now up near the highs here. See? These are dangerous trades because it's just going to keep taking longs. Now, if we get a pullback of, 50 handles and it takes a long, cool. We're above me. So with the volatility, the only thing I've done, I changed the ATM on the bot 2 by 0. Let me explain that. 2 contracts come off target 1. I have no target on the third contract. This will auto trail until it pulls back into the trailing stop loss. So I've exceeded target 3, and it may pull back into target 3. But if this gets a move up over about 325, okay, out. All right, guys, it's 9 o'clock. My bots are now off, and I'm going to take my breakfast break. If anybody has any questions, please holler. I mean, at this point, we have no real pullbacks, and we may not get them on the open. This may just go hog wild. All right, fellas, I'll be back in about 20 minutes. The reminder was 56. Your target is 230. You're trading it as a swing trade then. Yeah, 238. I think we could do that. 240. I like your target. For me, target one is 117. That trades up about 600. Anybody that may have taken it. I'm looking for target one or target here. Guys, I expect on the open, this is going to be chaotic. Crude selling hard. I also expect at some point this will pull back. 3,900 is a foregone conclusion here, I think, on NASDAQ, but yes, but I also expect at some point they will want to trap the longs. NASDAQ target now, Jesus, 11,600, 620. We're surely going to get 400. What's up, JLG? What's Mr. Black? Here comes your 17 target, guys. It's just shy, 10 ticks shy. Here we go. Got to 12. Come on, you rat bag. Give me those last 5 ticks. There's your target, guys, on natural gas. Yeah, no worries, man. No worries. NASDAQ will probably pop to 430. 430. There's your target. Trade them as you see fit, guys. Here comes 3,900. Above 3,900, we're going 3,925, 3,960. I mean, this is just straight up. 6.76 million SPY contracts have traded in the pre-market. Well, they surely have roached anybody that was short yesterday or counting on puts. 398's your target, guys. Probably right off the rip. Gold's breaking out nicely. $4 minutes, guys. I don't have an entry on gold up here. I mean, you can buy it here. Day high. We're going higher, but rarely do I take breakouts. I did it on natural gas, but it's an anomaly for me. But I think natural gas is going to trade ultimately 220. Fed's Harker policy lags are about a year or so. Fellas, 433 target on NASDAQ. 433. I'd like to see a pullback, but I'd also like to wake up with hair tomorrow. All right, guys, minute and a half. I've got my bots on. They're all in longs, and I'm not expecting on the open we're going to see much of a pullback. Nor do I think we're going to get very many trades on the bots. This looks straight trend. What was funny, Keith? No, I'm not buying this up here. No, no. Nah, Stuart. As I said earlier, I don't have FOMO, man. If I miss today, if I don't, I mean, I have all day. When this slows down at some point or reverses, I'll catch trades. Losing money is painful. I've done it more than once. I'll trade natural gas. I'll trade crude. Oh, the hair comment? Yeah, I'm follically challenged. All right, guys, 10 seconds. Be prepared for the rip. They've got, at some point, they have to pull this back. This has to retrace. We're off. We're off. Guys, believe it or not, on the NASDAQ has 10,000 net buyers. This is, we could shoot right to 400, 417. There's 3,900 on the ES, fellas. We are massively overbought 5, 10, and 15 minutes. Massively. That doesn't mean squat. We could stay overbought all day today, but we are overbought. Tick reading 1,700. Maybe we get a pullback then. Plus 17, I'm assuming. Dot! It's buyers on the open, guys. They're buying them. Major resistance at 3,900. Maybe we pull back to 3,880, even 3,860 on the ES. Well, I'm not. 5, 10, 15 minutes are all overbought. I'm not looking at a 60-minute. Hang on. Let me look at a 240. We're overbought on 240s. Out to 4 hours, we're overbought. Daily is not close. It's not close yet on the NASDAQ. And the ES, they're approaching overbought, but we could stay overbought for days. You know, that in of itself is not a reason to be long or short, but all right, we're getting a pullback in the NASDAQ at least. Off of, call it 400. On 200 sellers. I have no interest in shorting this thing. Your NQ bot took a trade. Not mine. It's on. Along with the first target only. I mean, I could have lag. 344. 347. Yeah, I really don't have. I have some lag, maybe 45. 50. No, I don't have any lag. At 932, I did not get a short. Let me just check and make sure I got my settings on. I'm waiting for the. Come on, NASDAQ. Nope, my settings are right. Now I'm going to get a long. Yeah, I'm lagging. I'm lagging. That's why. I'm lagging. Yeah. I'm lagging. You got the. I'm lagging. Look, 68. We're at 37. I'm lagging. That's why. YM is trying. Let's see, 66, 58. Yeah, I've got slight lag. That's what, not much, but I do have lag. Let me reload historical data. That's why you guys have gotten winning trades. We're at 64, 69. I mean, we're longs, guys. We're longs. I don't want to be short this market. 66, 70, 71, 67. I'm surely not, let's see here, 60, 58. I'm still lagging 10 handles. All right, I'm caught up now. Yeah, I'm caught up. ES could pull back to 60 support. We're at 82. YM kind of hanging in there. YM looks like it could pull back. YM is at that support here. See if that holds. ES is pulling back. NASDAQ is pulling back. Now they're going to trap some longs. 8,300 buyers. We were at 10,000. I would think there's target filled. Auto trail is on. If this keeps selling, it'll just keep trailing. NASDAQ, guys, if it should break below 250, it's a long way down. A long way down below 250. I mean, long way. Harker is speaking. Okay, out. YM took a short. Another short on the NASDAQ. YM hit target 1 to the ticket, didn't fill it. Target 1 filled on the YM. Guys, it looks like we're going to come down a ways. A break at 250 and this is going to get blown up. Harker not seeing signs of a wage price spiral. NASDAQ has a $700 runner. 760. YM is at break even plus 1 tick on the bot. Yes, it is, Nolan. I mean, they're selling them pretty hard. So the trailing stop has gotten to target 3. So there it goes, below target 3 on the NASDAQ. Both targets hit on YM. Targets 1 and 2. YM's up $1,055. Nothing in the ES. I would suspect that if you're trading it on the 8 range, you're getting trades. I'm not getting anything on the 15 range. Let me check. You're trading it on the 8 range? Yeah, I suspect you're getting trades. The 15 range hasn't taken. Okay, out. NASDAQ's up $1,000. Yeah, the 8 range, guys, is getting trades. I just put it back on the 8 range. You would have had a winning short, another winning short. I'll leave it on the 8 range today. Didn't quite come to 65. NASDAQ, still think we're going to pull back. We're sitting on a pivot at 279. Guys, if 250 goes, this could be a monster short. I will sell at 250. It is support. But a break below that, and this could be really bad. At any time today. Here's support and resistance. 256, so 250. We could trade back to 895. I don't know that it does or does not, but there isn't any real support. If 250 goes, I would expect us to eventually work down to at least 135. All right, guys. I'm going to take a long on the NASDAQ, guys. Small. One contract. I'm getting some lag, as you can see. We're at 328, 333, 34, 35. 36, 38, 40, 41. 36. You guys might want to take some risk off. 42, 43, 45. I mean, we're up and down 5 points, guys, in nanosecond. All right. I took some off, guys. I took it off. Yep, and now we're going to pop. 36. We're down at 20. I'm getting, all right, ES spot took a short on the 8 range. Now it went long, flipped into a long. Well, target one hit. Let me get that break even off. Trail on. It's too small a time frame. NASDAQ is long on the bot. Target filled. Auto trail is on. So again, I changed my ATM because of the volatility. I've got 2 contracts coming off at target 1, and I have an open runner. It's just going to go for theoretically perpetuity. So for those of you guys that don't know how to set an open runner, you set your third target in your ATM. Here, I'll show you. Third target set at 0. Profit target is 0. So if this gets a 200-point run, you're going to catch it instead of taking targets. We have extreme volatility. Yeah, 8 range took the long. I caught the long, but only for target 1 because I had the break even on. And it's such a small, 8 range is so small, it just snapped the break even. You guys understand the open runner? Is there anybody that does not understand? Guys? Yeah, so what I've done is I've set my third contract target to 0. Look, 2 contracts are coming off at target 1. The third contract profit target is set at 0, which means this will trail theoretically in perpetuity, right? Or until it gets a pullback into the trailing stop. So what I'm saying is when we get periods of high volatility like this, FOMC, major news, etc., why take 3 targets if you can get more than 3 targets? So this will just auto trail now. I've got a $700 runner, right? Third target was 22.5 handles. I'm above that already on the trailing stop. All it is a change of the ATM. You do that on the ES8 range? Yeah, I'll do that. I did the same thing. So now with third target set at 57, I've got at least 10 handles more than the 57, right? So worst case scenario is I pick up another $200 on the trade. Now, if this keeps going, obviously more, but it's a $750 runner. Crude is going to go long on the bot. Needs to take out that little swing high and we'll get another move. There we go. You got an $1,200 runner here, guys. $1,200. So why take 22 handles if you can get 72 handles? But again, only in periods of volatility. This is going to work to 557 at some point today. 557. I'm lagging a little bit. We're at 82, 81 out. NASDAQ bot's now up 2,155 bucks. Here's what we got so far. Up 62.50 on the ES. Come on, crude. I can't move the crude bot. Crude's up 1,065 on one trade. NASDAQ's up 2,155. Nothing on natural gas today. There will be nothing today on natural gas. And YM on this one trade, right? 2 off at 76 ticks, 1 off at 47 is up 1,055. So you've got a cumulative 21, 31, 32, 42, 42, 4,300 bucks, guys. At what point do you turn the bots off? NASDAQ just took another long. I mean, they take losing trades. And this looks like one here. There you go. NASDAQ, if it gets above 89, starts trading 400. Above 89 starts trading 400. Got to push right here. ES to me still looks like it's going to peel back. We're above the Keltner channel. All right, the 8 range took a trade on the ES spot. There's target filled. I mean, this is going to have to break above 3,900, guys. If it breaks above 3,900, we're going to trade 39.25. So I put the same ATM on the ES, right? Opposed to taking off one contract at target 1, one contract off at target 2, so on and so forth. I have the auto trail. But we're now, trading in stratosphere here. So this may, this could keep going, or there goes NASDAQ again. So I'm risking about 3 points here, 150 bucks, right? So I made 100, I'm risking 50 bucks. There's 3,900, above 3,900, this is going to go 39.25. It's major resistance here at 3,900. There it goes. Target now, if you're long, is 39.25. So the trail is basically to target 1. You got a $400 runner here. Trail's just above target 2. I'd like to get it to at least 99. Locks in 4 handles. Target on NASDAQ, guys, 575. 575. 514 is next. This is just stupid. We're at major resistance on the NASDAQ. We need to get above that resistance. ES should trade 39.14. Yes, target guys, 39.25. All right, so it's locked in 4 handles. So anything above this is gravy. NASDAQ target guys, we're going to 625. 590. ES is headed to 39.54. I can't imagine the premium in calls. You got an $800 runner now. YM missed a trade. Didn't get the long. We traded up into 14. That's the resistance. Above that, we're going 25. So this is what I've tried to explain for the last 2 days, right? Understanding, and I'm guaranteeing that my numbers will be better than probably everybody today because I changed the ATM. NASDAQ on target one. $25 is the next target on ES, guys. 25. You're stupid overbought, though. Stupid. Nice job. $4,000 profit off 7 micros. Nice job, Stuart. 9,600 net buyers, fellas. Out and out. Up 1,500 on the NASDAQ after the one losing trade. And up 1,112 on the ES. All the bots are up over 1,000 today. Everyone. With the exception of natural gas, which is not on. All right, guys. NASDAQ initial support 406, below that 370. Guys, I'll be right back. 1 minute. SPX got above 39.05. I can't adjust this chart here, guys. It's frozen. I mean, we are way above the Keltner channel. NASDAQ, you got a long here. I'm going to take a NASDAQ long. Hang on, guys. Right here. Yeah, that's what I don't like. I mean, we're way above the Keltner channel. I'll be out of this. I'm out. I'm out. Go without me. Nothing on that ES trade. NASDAQ got the long now. I don't have one. Nolan, I don't have one. Need SPX to break below 39.01, and I think she comes back to 38.90, which is the Keltner channel. I bought SPX 38.90 puts if anybody is interested. I paid $11.60. They're now $12.30. I'd like to see this ES come back to 95, but it's got to come down below 04 today. 0 DTEs. They're 12. You're going to pay $1 more than me now. Just understand that. They're $12.60 now. But we should pull back. We're sitting on the last shard of support. If ES breaks below 05, it's coming down. I can't even do it on that. The break is going to be, I mean, if I can get down to 3,900 support, I'll be out of these SPX puts. NASDAQ now took a short on the bot. I don't much care for it. Terrible fill. Should have been filled at 40. I got filled at 5 handles. Terrible fill. They're now $13, guys, on the SPX puts I bought $13. Anybody buy SPX puts? All right, here they come, fellas. They just hit 1320 SPX puts. Nobody bought them? Okay. It's a quick, almost 20%, fellas. They should come back 38.90. You have ES puts? Okay. Yeah, I definitely don't like longs up here. What's going on with CL? It's longs. It's above VWAP. You're long. Copper is rolling over. YM is basic. And another short on the NASDAQ bot. Target one hit and a short on the ES bot simultaneously. These will be my last trades, guys, on the bots. I think I think NASDAQ pulls back to 370, sitting on some support here on the NASDAQ, out on the runner. Okay, that's it for the day here, guys. It's up 1780. YM I shut off. YM is up 1055. Crude I shut off. Crude's up 1065. And ES I'll shut off after this. I mean, if this gets target, guys, it's $4,500 day on the bots. If this goes to a loss, this is still up about 500 bucks. Last trade. CL, if you'd taken that last trade, got target one. Another signal on a short. Target 2 hit on crude as well. Oh, you stink face. Missed target by one tick. One tick. It got the first target on the second signal. Has not gotten the first target on the initial signal. It's 10:20, guys. This will be the last trades. These are the last bot trades for me. Come on down. Are you kidding me? 3 more ticks. SPX is holding support at 97.36. That needs to break. There it is. All right, guys. Got target out at break even. ES bot's done at 1187.50 up. Four bots, 1187.5 plus 1065 plus 1780 and 1055. Four bots, $5,087.50. There was your long on crude above VWAP. Natural gas inventories momentarily. Anybody have any questions, guys? Anybody not making money today? Is there anybody that's not getting paid? I mean, we're still longs, fellas. There's really no shorts here. Everybody's making money today, right? Crude target. Hang on. 86.75. 86.75 on crude. Well, failure to take any trades is not losing money. I closed him at 12.30. You took some bad trades in your own? Absolutely, Nolan. Deepak, you know I scalp them 15%, 20%. I scalp. That was an $1,800 trade. I'll take it. I'll get them. I mean, I'll get them again, and we'll get a move. It may be at 11:30 once we get out of Europe. These are my favorite trades. When we trade up all morning, and at some point today, we're going to get a reversal. Anybody have any questions, guys? Trial members? Remember, today's my last day in the room. I'm not here tomorrow. Does anybody have anything, guys? Members? Anybody? Later today. I work until 4, brother. No, I didn't mention trading this week. Training. No, I did not. I'll be out of town, Charlie, for my mother's 80th birthday. There's no edge. We're below the 110. Come on. They bought them again at 02 quarter. The big bid is down here at 85. It's only 36 contracts. If you guys want $300, take it. Your prerogative. Need to come down through 89 for this to do anything. Here comes your SPY. 87.11 is target. Guys, I can get a trade, $400, $300. It's not much. It's really, there's a 42 seller on the bottom. There we go. 46. There you go. Now you got 700 in the trade, guys. And I took one off. Back above. Whoa. No, not what I want. Closed. Flat. Back above 400. Really need NASDAQ to come below 360. 360. That'll do it. Anybody holding the short? Stop was 28. Anybody holding that short? NQ think he needs to get through 74. Okay, I'm with you. I have a little bit lower, but Yeah, ES has to break this massive wick. All right, next 10-minute bar just formed. I'm lagging. I'm lagging, obviously. We're at 68, 69 again. Fucking ninja. What a piece of crap this thing is, seriously. Amazon starting a cost-cutting review. This could retrace to 404. Came to 58.25. Here comes our natty gas, fellas. Anybody holding natural gas still? That is still my target. 117, 116, target 1. There's natural gas. Still holding. Yeah, you NASDAQ ratbag. 2 minutes to the next 15-minute bar. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. ES came exactly